racing as they battle for the Wild Orchid Trophy race. We have Love You by Heartbreak quickly at a start, running by the release Faultless. Then comes Manila's Queen, No Peso, No Dance, Just Awesome in the middle portion. Then comes Supreme Leader, Gigin Hawa comes next, then followed by Be My Queen, while Star Quality is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Faultless now takes command by out ahead. Alongside now is Love You by Heart, No Peso, No Dance, Just Awesome comes next. Supreme Leader moving up now on the outside is Manila's Queen. Be My Queen is down on the inside, Gigin Hawa, while Star Quality is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Faultless by about 2 lengths, and in second is Love You by Heart. Supreme Leader, Just Awesome is on the outside, No Peso, No Dance. Then here comes Manila's Queen now joining them. Then next online now is Be My Queen, Gigin Hawa in Star Quality now running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. Faultless, Just Awesome in the middle portion, and on the outside now is Manila's Queen with about 150 meters more to run. Just Awesome, Manila's Queen is on the outside, Just Awesome, Manila's Queen, Faultless, and finally Wild Orchid Trophy race belongs to Just Awesome. Faultless, then comes Manila's Queen, Supreme Leader, and No Peso, No Dance.
Alright, 827,000 inabot po ang ating double handle, third choice of fourth choice.